Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Yusef Scott. You guys know me, the one and only, the Forex GOAT. You guys know the sodarneasyforex Forex movement. You've been watching me for a while, maybe. A lot of you are subscribed to my channel. A lot of you are connected with me on Facebook and Instagram. So I want to thank you for being here today, taking time out of your day to watch this video. Now, listen, if you're not yet subscribed to me on YouTube, if you're not yet connected with me on Facebook and Instagram, please get connected. You want to make sure that you're connected, because when I drop information on various outlets, you want to be able to receive it. All right. And being in a position to receive it, it means that you'll be able to, take advantage of it, apply it to the market. Sometimes I drop motivational videos. Sometimes I might, provide a trade alert. So get connected so that you can be available to receive it. Okay. Listen, I know that a lot of you have already realized that I have the Corner the Market membership. You guys know that I launched that on the 1st, which was on Tuesday, and I want to tell you guys that it has taken off, and I'm very excited about it, because finally I can, when I designed the sodarneasyforex movement, I had to make sure that I was providing people with information in a way where it could be easily ingested and they could retain it and then apply it to the market. And I didn't want to be like some companies in various fields, primarily like real estate. They'll dump a lot of content on you. Like, for instance, when I first got into real estate, I would go to all these seminars and I would get all these packages of information, pamphlets, all types of stuff, where you go home and you read and you're like, man, I don't know where to start. So instead of me doing that and causing people to be overwhelmed, as if trading Forex wasn't challenging enough when you're just getting started, I decided to present my memberships in a way where people could, come in at the base level where they're getting a foundation. All right, and that's the sodarneasyforex membership. And then once they learn the foundation, they're now able to upgrade to the millionaire combo membership, where now you're able to see how I'm able to hold these trades for days, weeks, months at a time. So for those who are interested in long-term trading, they would take advantage of that. And I've always stayed sort of, on the sideline, or I always stayed a little reluctant to showing people how to short-term trade, because it really went against everything that I believe in. And I know the easiest way for me to trade, when looking at the market from a more logical standpoint, is of course long-term trading. It just fits my lifestyle right now. I don't have the time to sit and scalp the market. But for those who are interested in scalping the market, that's when I allow people to, okay, I've learned how to long-term trade. I have the foundation all in place. Now I'm growing. Foundation, you build off of the foundation. You have the long-term. Now you build a step higher than that, another level higher than that. Now you're able to take advantage of cornering the market, learning how to make money regardless of what happens in the market. Taking advantage of scalping the market, all right? Trading short-term, long-term, being able to tackle what we call cryptocurrency. All right, all this stuff is what I'm teaching my students over there in the Corner of the Markets, membership. So I want to let you guys know something. I wanted to share something with you guys. A student who had actually been with me last year. He came and he left, and he came back and he joined again just yesterday, or maybe 2 days ago. Maybe yesterday or 2 days ago. It's been a very busy last 2 days. The last 48 hours have been extremely busy. All right. But here's the thing. He joined, and I want to share with you guys what he emailed me today. Made me feel really good. All right. Let me show you guys. All right. So if you guys see, this gentleman's name is Powell. And Powell, he emailed me with the subject line, "Scalping the Market." All right. And this is what he said. He said, "Hello, sir. Just wanted to say that the training videos for scalping the market were so amazing. I went and applied the strategy right after watching them. Not only was I 100% in the market, it only took between 2 to 3 hours to make well over 100 pips. And that was just me learning and making tweaks along the way as I learn. This is so powerful. Can't wait to continue to learn and apply this strategy in the market. You are truly the Forex guru, Paul. Now, I want to let you guys know something. You guys know that I'm very innovative, okay? I love creating things. I love creating opportunities for people. And I've created this low-risk scalping strategy for those who realize that, you know, scalping the Forex market, man, that's right up my alley. But I can't seem to get it down. I make money and I give it back. So I had to create a strategy that would allow people to, you know, look beyond what scalping the market is. Scalping the market is very risky. All right. So what I had to do was I had to dumb it down. I had to, you know, break it down so that people could comprehend scalping in a much easier manner. All right. So this is how the low risk scalping strategy came into existence. Very simple strategy. Very simple. Just like all the other strategies that I have, there are not a lot with these strategies. There isn't. So, guess what? Just like Paul did, the many students who have joined since the first, they're taking advantage of the low risk scalping strategy. And if this is you, if you know that you really want to trade, you know, short term, you want to scalp the market, get in, get out, by all means, take advantage of it. It's well worth it. You guys know that you can make a lot of money scalping the market. You guys remember my 863 pips in 12 hours video. You guys probably remember that. If you're not familiar with it, go on to the search bar inside of YouTube, and you can type in 863 pips in 12 hours, and you'll see a couple videos that I've created, you know, on the matter, where I, you know, traded 50 cents and I accumulated 863 pips. Yes, in 12 hours. What some people, I'll say, make in 1 week. It was under $500 in 12 hours. Profit. Okay? You guys want to know about, you know, a daily confirmation? I'll show you that there. See, a lot of people ask about daily confirmations and this and that, and let me get some proof. Not that I don't already show my live accounts and stuff, but some people want your blood type, your daily confirmation. They want your bank account routing number, your account number. They want everything because they haven't experienced what you've done in the market. So that daily confirmation is right there. You guys see it, line item, everything, my name, account number, all that stuff. And you'll see my screenshots that's showing the same results. And this is what I'm teaching my students. See, I don't scalp the market anymore. I'm a long-term trader. I'm a long-term trader. I long-term trade. I crush the market. I know about where to get in. But hey, if you want to learn how to, you know, scalp the market, I can teach you that too. I could really crush the market with the resources that I have. I could, but I don't have the time to. I love to just let my trades run. I'm going to get mine anyway. So, you know, I don't want to make life harder than it has to be. Okay? But I tell you what, this low risk scalping strategy, it's where it is. I'm telling you, it is the new thing. You know, I have simplified scalping. You guys don't believe me? Continue not believing me. If you guys don't believe me, keep your eyes open and you'll see. All right. Just want to give you guys insight on this, let you guys know Actually, Paul L, he was my first student to actually specifically comment on the scalping strategy, you know, and it feels good to know that, you know, he, along with others, are able to see the market, trade the market, scalp the market. We're not talking about long-term trade. We're talking about scalping the market, a high-risk market, very risky when you're scalping, able to do it with ease. All right. Listen, you guys have a fantastic evening. I really appreciate you guys tuning into this video. Remember, if you're not yet connected with me on Facebook and Instagram, please get connected with me. By the way, I put out a video probably within the last 3 hours. I put out a video on Instagram. You guys probably remember that USD ZAR trade alert that I put out. Well, it was actually the ZAR trade alerts that I put out a month or so ago. Well, I've been still running them, okay? And I put the results on Instagram. Go check it out, all right? Go check it out. Quite amazing what can happen in the market when you know what you're doing, all right? For those of you who might doubt it, you know, it's not a screenshot. It's a video. It's a live account. Go check it out. For those of you who might doubt, for those of you who may have contacted me and said, hey, listen, you know, I need proof that you're trading live. Go check it out. You know, it's all love, you guys. You know, I know how it is when you haven't yet conquered certain things in the market. You still doubt it, but once you reach that threshold, you're like, oh, this is all it was? Is this simple? Yes, it's this simple. Check it out for yourself. All right. Listen, appreciate you guys. This is Yusef Scott, the Forex GOAT. All right. Peace.